Abusua question am bisa na say amanyo semo a ye di kunkum ye ho ana ye di prapra ye ho ana say eye denga se SOMPA FM ayeti hey dwumadi ye asese yi ye mfa ngu obi adwuma ye mfa ndi obi atam ye mfa mkum nipa a dear that's what crowd for God and for the country Ghana. NPP amanyoko enya manyoko kitwo akoko dam ne mpanyimfo atitiw woni anim wade ade wo NPP amanyoko num ndasa mu ko bebi akwakobodwa na edi ohawo ni oyene apinisie de baba ana ebesremo de mu ye no nyai asebo hesi se empanyimfo antu ho anamon a na empanyimfo bi anim hu bi because in the interview what I wanted to establish and say asem we see here anya bia no the party leadership led by the national chairman and in the general secretary anya bia was trying to find out say obetu anamon akwohwe abranche no awo Comfort Teaching Hospital now. The response I am getting here seems to suggest, sir, because what we have seen, what we have witnessed, I say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and then in Crawford, among Aqua Branch and Ho. Where is the national organizer of the New Patriotic Party? Where is the general secretary of the New Patriotic Party? Where is the national chairman of the New Patriotic Party? And again, where are the vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party? Have they issued a statement to that effect? Apologizing to the family of Abrantieno? Have they done that? Producer, any statement a party na issue? Any statement a party na issue on this particular issue? By now, as a party, a national party, a woman governed Ghana, quickly, there should be a statement out there apologizing to Ghanaians. Say, as someone else, and but here we are, we have not heard anything from the leadership of the New Patriotic Party. No wonder we have men belonging to the New Patriotic Party here. Today, they are calling for the total resignation of all the leadership of the party. Yesterday, we spoke to Dr. Yahota Maklo. As someone can understand, the leadership of the party, Chairman Bute, the first national vice chairman of the party, MPP. They didn't come out and say the leadership have failed. What kind of ineptitude is this? I'm asking again, what kind of ineptitude on the part of the leadership of the New Patriotic Party is this? Abrante no buy no. Obeshi jama sikan e dia wono no. So ufi say ye kwa to about 2028. Na se mo esi na mo ntimi anko Omebushia for anko bibi anchiroma. Obisa ono ne nebushia for beto aba man bibi amanyoko. Why are you sinking the New Patriotic Party? Why? Asaboi a hard dream pa. And now once people have said, say, a branch belonging to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Camp Puntino. Is that what the case is? And a branch belonging to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, His Excellency the Vice President Kampa. And can also say no matritina na. And Kabomna MPP penon Kabom no ewe. Then I thank you Tono Akwakosi. Abedane den. Matesa manfo thank you Tono e din fufuro bi mu. Mon kan me bi e. Obviously thank you Tono adane den. Producer obviously thank you Tono adane den. Adane killing to. And adane den. More bonti, you know better than I do here. if you do this, now you call general elections are, and I say nebesi. During the last general election, someone would see here. As someone can end this for my money. You did worse during the 2024 elections. You did worse. So you shouldn't be happy about what is happening within the New Patriotic Party. The NDC did worse during the 2024 elections. So don't be happy. We want to make a special plea to the leadership of the New Patriotic Party. Abotchie no Oyeghanani, he deserves better. So munyan na mumba bodin na munkona munkosha Abotchie no. Because Oyeghanani or the New Patriotic Party, me check some my crack say, "Oye amanyokuba." Na arena mutiti ne sa. When said the mutiti aman for party no. E ma party ni nya kodo da. I am not saying say me support the NPP party, no. But this country cannot be a one-party state. We are practicing multi-democracy. And NPP is a pillar within this dispensation of political parties' activities. But they should issue a statement apologizing to Ghanaians on this particular issue, AC. And they must tell Ghanaians that this will not happen again. I know His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is listening. And we want to plead with him. Sir, it has been confirmed on this show, sir. Na oka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia securities no. So what are they doing? From the Vice President's camp, the presidential candidate for the New Patriotic Party in the 2024 elections, the camp, no, I am asking, say, as I see, what steps have they taken? Is it because Agyapong say Abotchie belonging to Agyapong camp in Tino? Please think twice. Namunkai say Abotchie no. Oya mama nyokoni ana osaso ye Ghanani. Abusua media C. The friend me prof.